Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar index and this is the 1-hour chart of gold USD. Before discussing about the chart of gold, okay, let's look at the news. Gold steadies near 3-month lows after strong US data. These are a few other news. You can see a gold hovers near 3-month lows. Gold price leaks lower as US dollar deters ahead of Powell lower gold USD. So yes, we have Fed Chair Powell speech coming up that will bring some volatility to the market. So be careful during the news because market may be extremely volatile. Especially beginners, new traders, try to stay away from the market and try to close down all your US dollar positions because your stop losses may not work, because when there is extreme volatility, there is a problem of slippage. Okay, so that's all about the news. Be careful during the news time. And DXY, as expected, DXY took support around 102.39. I gave you two levels yesterday, 102.39 and 102.18. And right now we can see that after taking support around this area, DXY is trying to go up. And as market has shown extreme correction, so yes, the road will not be very easy again. So DXY, yes, DXY has tried to show recovery from time to time, but because of many obstacles, okay, the recovery is not going well. So if DXY tries to go for recovery also, then 103.12, 103.20, this particular level or area will be working as resistance again. Till yesterday, we were hoping that DXY would break the previous high and will try to continue the upside. But right now, it seems that DXY will have to cross this level first and there will be some resistance. So let's wait and watch. And in case there's a drop on DXY, then yes, the previous low of 101.93 or 102 to 101.90, this level will be the support for DXY. So right now, things have changed a little bit. So as a result, this is the range of DXY. And it's the 1-hour chart of gold. So yesterday after the news, we saw a big drop on gold. And gold took support around 1910. Okay, 1910, 1911 level. And gold tried to show some recovery. And right now gold is standing at 1915 level. This is the current market price. To be honest, when there was a drop on gold, I was hoping that market would break the previous low of 1910 level, because we have discussed in our previous videos that 1910, though it is acting as a support right now, but 1910 is not a very strong support. Let's say that before the news only, okay, before the news only there is a big red candle, then obviously 1910 will not be able to act as a support because this level does not have the strength. So the next support will be around 1900 level, but 1900 is also not a very strong level. So to be honest, we don't have any strong support on the chart of gold right now. As I have already discussed in my previous videos, that if gold breaks 1910 level and if the selling continues, then the next support will be around 1863, 1864. 1900 is a round number, so it's a psychological support. If you look at the contracts data, then you will see that many contracts are piled up around 1900 level. So as a result, we can expect some sort of support around 1900, but otherwise technically 1863-64 is the next support. If you look at the daily chart, okay, I can show you again. Okay, if you're new to the channel, you see this is the daily chart of gold. We have drawn Fibonacci. You can see here market came to 50% retracement, market bounce. Then at one point market broke the level, market came down to Fibonacci 61.8, market is taking support. So at one point, if the selling continues, because structure is not positive, we can definitely expect the market to break Fibonacci 61.8 and head towards 1963-64 level, which is the Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex Trading Workshop. Yes, the Forex Trading Workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after the 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program, and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things. So during the day, especially during the Asian session, if market comes down to 1910 level, you can expect a minor bounce of 30-40 pips, but do not keep your expectations very high, because this is not a proper support right now. By the US session, one candle will be enough to break the level of 1910 level. Okay, and as I said, there is no immediate support. If the selling pressure is good enough below 1910 level, you can look for a sell position below 1910 level with proper risk management. If you're a swing trader, you can hope for a target of 1860 or 1865 also. On the other hand, if market shows upside during the day, then we have the first level around 1920 to 1921, and then we had the second level is around 1922 to 1923. These are the two resistance levels where you can expect the market to face some selling pressure, especially during the before the US session, before the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. If you see the market is going up but market struggling around this area, you can look for a sell. Yesterday we had a buy position around 1921 level. Market came to almost 1920, and we saw a big bounce of almost 100 pips. Okay, today do not expect 100 pips, but at least you can expect 30-40 pips. Okay, so 1920 to 1923 and 1920 to 1921, these are the two levels. Not a very strong resistance, but yes, day traders can look for some quick selling opportunity. We are using Fibonacci here. Along with price action. So 1920 to 1921 is the Fibo 50% retracement level, as well as we can see that market has bounced yesterday. So previous support will be acting as resistance along with Fibonacci, and 1920 to 23, because Fibo 61.8, same previous support acting as resistance, and along with that we also have the 100 moving average. So 1920 to 23 is also a good level. On the other hand, we have resistances around 1930, 1933, and the big resistance around, or the strongest resistance around 1937 to 1940. Means the strongest sellers are present around 1937 to 1940, and this is the range of goal right now. At the top we have 1937, 1940, but 1937, 1940 is quite far away. So as a result, we are simply focusing on this particular portion of the market. But yes, are these levels very strong? No, not at all. These levels are not very strong. The strongest one is 1937, 1940, and then 1863 at the bottom. Okay. But yes, there's a high chance that gold will break 1910 level and head towards 1900 at first, and then 1863, 1864. Again, if market tries to go up, you can look for some quick selling opportunity at 1920, 21 and 1920 to 23 level. Two minor resistances for the day traders. That's it. Okay, and in case market breaks it, then you can look for some resistance or selling pressure around 1930-31. So there are multiple levels. Okay, the multiple levels that depends on the scenario, and please be careful during the speech. After the speech, market is volatile. So if you see the market is following a particular trend right after the speech, then try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Please look at the next part of the video for chart prime. Now let's look at chart prime. These are the signals generated by chart prime yesterday. This was a buy signal, this was a sell signal, buy, sell, and the oscillator also generated two signals. If you're using chart prime or if you're planning to use chart prime on 15 minutes time frame, then obviously you can expect 30 to 40 pips max. If you keep your profit range between 30 to 40 pips, then obviously the signals will be very useful for you. After having realistic expectation from the market is one of the most important thing. So the signals did pretty well yesterday, the buy, sell, all the signals. Okay, day for yesterday we saw the one signal, okay, went bad. Otherwise, if you follow proper risk management, then obviously with the signals generated by the tool, you can expect to make good money. Okay, and today also we can expect the signals to work nicely and the oscillator to work properly, because we do not have any high impact crazy news that will be driving the market crazy. Yes, we have the speech of Jerome Powell. Right after the news, stop using the um, signals. Okay, but before the news, okay, you can definitely expect the tool to work properly. So today also you can go with the signals, buy and sell signals generated by the tool, and if you follow the oscillator, then yes, you can go for buy and sell signals generated by the oscillator. You can see here the green arrows here will be indicating the buy positions, and the orange arrows like this will be indicating the sell positions. Apart from buy and sell signals, if you are familiar with divergence like this, then also you can trade on divergence today, because we can expect a normal volatility for the day. Those who don't know about chart prime is an awesome indicator rocking the trading community right now. They have three powerful indicators. You can see Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. Market Dynamics Pro is very useful for smart money concept traders, okay, those who trade on SMC. Okay. And if you want to know more about the tool, you can simply go to the tutorial section. You will find various strategies that you can use, and also some learning stuff. Okay. Right now, they are giving a 30% off. You can scan the QR code on the screen and also check out the link in the description. If you really want to take your trading to the next level, then yes, chart prime is one of the best solution for you. Okay, it will not only give you buy and sell signals, but also will help you to analyze the market properly.